Well, fuck.
Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for a dirty homeless scrub. Dirty homeless scrub, dirty homeless scrub. Life is hell for this dirty homeless scrub.
Damn it. I'm not supposed to sleep in the gazebo anymore. But Mother Nature keeps telling me I have to. Who do I listen to? The people in the park district? In that building? Or Mother Nature? I think Mother Nature's gonna win this one. But I can't sleep where I usually do because the wind is blowing in that direction. So I gotta put my bike over there on this side. I mean, the ground's not getting wet, but I can feel it misting in my face. So if I watch TV tonight, I gotta do it in the middle and pretend I'm the frisbee in our games. I don't know what to do. I got more episodes of Orange is the New Black to watch. Episodes 7 and 8. Because I watch 2 a night. This weather, why does it gotta rain? Why? Oh. Yeah, the wind blew it in my face. Man. It's rumbling. I've already seen lightning. Oh, and the sound of the rain is getting heavier. I'm not gonna lie though. The last time I had to sleep in the middle, the sound was quite soothing. It was cold at that time, so I was bundled underneath my blanket and the blanket was getting wet. But I woke up dry. Remember that? It's not cold out right now. I'm still in t-shirt and shorts. So maybe it'll be even more soothing if I lay down because I won't have to be all, oh, I'm cold. I can be like, like I hit play on a CD or something at night. Soothing sounds of the brain. Oh, there's some lightning. That gave me an idea. Here you go. For those who have trouble sleeping, here's a minute. You can fall asleep in this next minute and then wake up and watch the rest of my video. Okay, here you go, watch. Now you can finish watching the video. Quite peaceful though, isn't it? Like I still haven't dragged out my laptop yet. I saw lightning out in that direction. I kind of want to sit down. Oh, see? Damn it, I didn't get it on camera though. Lightning. That's what I'm trying to get. Lightning on camera. And then I'll sit down and watch Orange. I don't know. I hope. Was that on camera? I wasn't looking through the screen. But if there's lightning, yeah, see, that means it's gonna get worse. I just hope the wind doesn't blow. I mean, it's not streaks, it's just flashing. I don't see actual lightning streaks. That's why the thunder is just a rumble in the distance. I guess I'm just gonna fucking watch TV and eat my ramen noodle burrito. Haha. Yeah, ramen noodles and chicken tortilla soup. Make a burrito out of tortilla soup. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Waiting on you and you got it's about 2 o'clock and the rain is let up. That's just residual drips from the roof. I mean, it's kind of still raining, I guess. But, yep. Damn, sleeping under the gazebo tonight. I got my blanket out and stuff now. Ooh, excuse that. Yeah. I just finished episode 7 of Orange. Interesting. I think I'm going to bed though. I'm not going to watch episode 8 tonight. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm going to end this video. And there's a freight train coming at the end. So before it blows out your ears, I'm going to say peace.